Hello everyone. Welcome to Piston Power. Today, we're reviewing the Suzuki Omni, a simple yet practical minivan that has been a favorite in markets like India for decades. What makes it so popular? Let's find out. The Suzuki Omni features a distinctive boxy design, prioritizing functionality over aesthetics. With its compact dimensions and large glass areas, it offers excellent visibility. The front is simple, with a Suzuki badge and a basic grille, giving it a no-frills, utilitarian appearance. This design makes it ideal for both commercial and personal use. Inside, the Omni surprises with its spacious cabin. The seating arrangement can be adjusted to accommodate either passengers or cargo, making it a versatile choice. The dashboard is extremely basic, with only essential controls. Some models lack air conditioning and power steering, which may feel outdated by modern standards, but this simplicity also means easier maintenance and lower costs. The Suzuki Omni is powered by a small 796cc 3-cylinder engine, producing around 35 horsepower. While this may seem underwhelming, the vehicle's lightweight body ensures decent performance for city driving and short-distance travel. Fuel efficiency is a key advantage, making it a budget-friendly option. However, it may struggle on highways due to its limited power. One of the Omni's key characteristics is its lightweight and rear-wheel drive layout, which provides balanced handling even when carrying cargo. However, its light build means stability can be a concern at high speeds or in strong winds. It's best suited for urban environments where agility and maneuverability matter most. The Suzuki Omni shines in terms of cost-effectiveness. Spare parts are inexpensive, and maintenance is straightforward, making it a popular choice for commercial purposes like taxis and delivery services, especially in countries like India. The Suzuki Omni is a no-nonsense, practical vehicle designed for efficiency and affordability. While it lacks luxury features and high-speed performance, its low running costs and versatile design make it a great option for those needing a reliable city van. What do you think about the Suzuki Omni? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more car and tractor reviews on Piston Power. See you in the next video.